We feel like a little bit scared about what happens, about what we're gonna do, what we have to do, and at the same time we are like happy because this is a great opportunity.
I learned a lot from here, like how you pick yourself up when you're all broken.
I feel a little bit of accomplishment, but it's not really done yet because I don't know where I stand yet.
I don't like to be arrogant or anything, but I think I did good. But we have to wait until the results to see, obviously, who is the tops.
After 4 days, I'm really exhausted, tired, but I'm really amazed. This competition, by the way, this is our first time competing in WorldSkills International competition, and our competitors, they are really enjoying it. We're enjoying it, and it's really amazing experience for us all. And hopefully, we will be more ready for Kazan after 2 years. And best of luck tomorrow. Tomorrow the results will come out.
احتضان دولة الإمارات العربية المتحدة لمثل هذه المناسبات والمشاركات العالمية شيء مش غريب علينا. كانت مشاركتنا في شرطة أبو ظبي في دعم المسابقة، تم تخصيص طيارتين هليكوبتر للمشاركة في إحدى مسابقات هذه المسابقة وأحد فروع هذه المسابقة. التوجيهات اللي عندنا أن ندعم كل مبتكر وكل مبدع سواء كان من شرطة أبو ظبي أو من الجهات الخارجية.
As the aviation industry is growing, there is a constant need for young talents to join, especially in technical roles. And the forecast for the coming years, as the industry grows, there's going to be a shortage globally in engineers and skilled young talents. That's why Etihad Airways invested heavily in young pool of talents to develop them to become future engineers and technicians and pilots and leaders and so on.
طبعا نحن نهتم جدا بالشباب الشغوفين اللي يكتسبون مهارات ويحبون يتعلمون ويدخلون يكتشفون مجالات معينة. فدورنا هني أو وجودنا هني كدعم لهذا الحدث العالمي، بالإضافة إلى استقطاب المهارات أو الناس اللي عندها شغف يحب التعلم والتي تود أن تدخل القطاع الصحي.